Most people get this wrong. They assume debt management apps just show a balance, but the surprising truth about Debt Hunch is that it actively helps you create a plan to pay off debt faster. Here's my honest review. Debt Hunch is a personal finance app that analyzes your debt across multiple accounts and provides a strategy to reduce it efficiently. When I tried it, I entered credit cards, loans, and other debts, and the app calculated the optimal payoff order based on interest rates and balances. One standout feature is the Snowball vs. Avalanche comparison. Most people know the Snowball method pays off smaller debts first for motivation, while Avalanche targets high-interest debt first to save money. Debt Hunt shows you both options with clear projections, so you can choose the approach that suits your goals. The app also allows you to set reminders for minimum payments, track progress, and see projected debt-free dates. I found this motivating because it visualizes how small extra payments can drastically shorten your payoff timeline. A downside is that Debt Hunch requires linking accounts for automatic updates. While this is convenient, some users may prefer manual entry for privacy reasons. Also, the free version is limited, so serious debt managers may need the premium plan. In conclusion, Debt Hunch is perfect for anyone serious about paying off debt efficiently. It provides actionable strategies, clear visuals, and motivation to stay on track. Subscribe for more honest reviews of personal finance tools that actually help you take control of your money.